Sesibuyile ke kuwona umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM khona ke WhatsApp wethu ungasenda kuwona usendele umyalezo khona ufisa ukubuza clarity kugogo ngapha ukhona uMasikhakhane 060 465 0345 kanti ke ikhona nenamba yokushaya 0861462632 so kunesikhathi sincane ke kodwa ngoba okuningi fanele sithole ulwazi yona ingxoxo lesifisa ukuthi nasikhulume ngayo kodwa makhona sibonze yakujomba sikubuze then ke that's when we're going to give you isikhathi because wami sivale sekuthanda ukushubashuba kancane
yazi kuvele kwashuba
yes
ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabalaleli bazoba nayo imibuzo but nje bakade siphuma before seyindabeni ukhulume ngendaba enkulu ngisabuyele kona but ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu olalele ekhaya ngizama ukumbeka esithombeni uMasikhakhane esihleli naye la ngoba phela ngiyazi ukuthi le perception esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi mawucabanga isangoma ucabanga mhlawumbe umuntu omdala ugogo ogqoke
njani yebo bambona
so impression ngiqala ukumbona nje hayi ngangimenywe kwi-launch book launch and ngiyafika ibolosisi usubona ngamabhayibheli imbala egqokile but yabo
mina uthi njani nje manje bengekile beautiful
inkopi inzipho
muhle kwayena nje yes
so leyo nto bekungathi sangoma fanele singcole sibonakale ngebhayi nani yabo so
ithiwani bathi nogogo ngenzipho bathi ngeenkopi shayile shiya mntama
I think leyo wegogo it varies for abantu mangithi it varies ake ngiqale nje ngeclientele abantu abayang they are very accepting and baningi abantu kule minyaka ngisebenza egcina bethi makhosi wangenza ngafuna ukuvuma yazi wangenza ngafuna ukulahla konke ngithi ngiyavuma ngenza into zami because ba realize ukuthi ayi man angibona ukuphela komhlaba lo you can still be you ulandela amaphupho akho because mina I'm doing a lot of things on the side I'm doing a bit of acting here and there ngenza lokhu ayikho into idlozi elingivimbe kuyona I think abantu abadala into abayifunayo is submission
okay
ukuvuma intando yabuqala ukuthi nje nina ke nenze nikufuna ngamnidele then they allow you to do anything and everything and idlozi ihamba into kuyithanda love yourself loving yourself akuzidefine alikho idlozi elikhuluma ngerude elikhuluma ngecici nani I think lento wegogo ibuyingene nasenkonzweni whereby you find inkonzo ethi asilifuni icici asilifuni who said because noma ngawazi amavesi eBible but there are places in the scriptures that say abantu besifazane babeziqhola ngamakha amnandi mabe ethempelini and they used to wear amacici and they used to have tattoos ama tattoos I symbolize ukholo but today if you have a tattoo uyisoni today wafaka icici enkonzweni you understand but it was things that were permitted ngalezo ikhathi so mina ngiyakhombisa abantu ukuthi idlozi is submitting ngaphakathi yes zikhona izinto abantu abazokhipha zona bathi behave accordingly ungenzi so but akusho ukuthi ungazithandi akusho ukuthi ungazifaka inkophe mawuzithanda akusho ukuthi unganjani after all ispirit sobungoma siyathanda ukushow off uyabona idlozi nedlozi liyafuna ukubukwa ngawe so nawo lo alikufuni mawususuma yabu uyabona mina abakithi sometimes bayibahleke endlini because bayibabone ngathi ayi uma nangoke mina mangikhuluma nabakithi ngikhuluma kanje nje ngikhuluma nawe usiphendulane so isikhathi mangigqoka ngize ngishintshe bazini washintsha ngithi ayomkhulu basishiya lento uyabona because ku depend ngokuthi ngihamba nobani kuba nesikhathi la ngistrict khona nje ngidila neduku ngisuke ngazi ukuthi khona izalukwazi-ke lapha mangihamba namakhehlela ngibusa khona uyabona ngiyasifaka inkuphe zami fanele enough omkhulu allow more of inkophe nenzi but ayiphilele enza ogogo bafike ngoba abantu esihamba nabo abalingani ngeminyaka into ke when it comes to futhi being more versatile ngene into enzo radio ngithi lapho ngapermitwa because my own grandmother was on radio she had a slot kwi radio station thizeni la eThekwini whereby she had a show yokubhaka and ngikhula bekuloka kushiwo lokho kumina ukuthi ave ukukhuluma wena engathi ungangena eradioini uyabona so into engiyona amadlozi enginawo they permit for that to happen
okay shuthi lento yanga ukuthi ungenwe abantu abanjani ngoba abanye kwethiwe phela mhlawumbe ngaleza ikhathi abayazi social media by understand radio yabo so ingakho wena vele kubelula nanokuthi ungene kulezi zinto zesimanje ngoba vele abantu ohamba nabo iclear kakhulu ngiyayizwa
i-tricky kodwa mawuthi abantu ohamba nabo I think they do ichaze kahle
ngisungena emlomeni sithando it's partially right gogo ukuthi abantu ohamba nabo okunye kubuya kuthina ogobela njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi nakothwasa bami ngithi do what is right by you okunye khamba nathi ogobela umuza umuntu engaleni yomuntu ethi hey mina ngaligcoba ibovu ngahamba nokuthi ngaye eThawini uyabona sikhohle ukuthi manje ziyasebenza ingane lapha ibovu eThawini akabe muhle phela umntana emsebenzini uzogqoka kahle esigodlweni eselana uyabona so uthola ukuthi abanye abantu not ngoba idlozi elivumanga kuwo. They have not adventured bangena kuleyo ndima ngoba bafundiswe emuva labeqhamuka khona ukuthi you know mina ngeke ngithi mangiqhamuka ngifaka ibhlukwe ubone ezinye izangoma esezikhulile zithi zinyivu yabo. For example, when I go to gym ngeke phela ufake amabhayi fanele ufake tight, you know. So mangifika lapho ubona abanye bazobuka ngalawo mehlo ukuthi
mhlambe nakuthi uyajima inkingi
uyabona ukuthi kanjani kanti idlozi alingene lapho wena
makuthiwa ungene idlozi usuke ungenela ukuthi kwenzeni kanti
idlozi ngizochaza ngifaka i-English nesizulu ngoba ngibe ngiphethe ngale ezulwini. Idlozi kahle kahle wena u-physical, idlozi u-spiritual. So accepting ubizo is giving spiritual life a power to be present in the physical world, which is you. So basically imagine yourself as a passage elikwazi ukutransporta abantu from the spiritual to the physical. So idlozi will utilize you ukuthi lenze umsebenzi walo depending ngokuthi lo muntu ohleli kwena uhleli ngasiphi isizathu ngoba kuyahlukana ukuba nedlozi. Khona umuntu onedlozi ngoba you were born with it, khona umuntu onedlozi ngokuthi uma wakho waba nenkani akenzanga or ukhokho wakhe akenzanga bese idlozi elithi ngoba akenza kuma awusigcinele. Then you have to understand selikweni idlozi ukuthi elani, because not all of us senidlozi lokuthi enesiyathwasisa noma sinedlozi lokuthi sivula igodlo. Omunye unedlozi lokuthi angidli ukhambo oluthize libhodle and let me carry on acting, let me carry on singing, and mhlambe isiphiwo sami sizoqhuma ngalezi zinto engizenza not necessarily ukuthi ngihlale esigodlweni.
That is why abantu ukuthi umuntu akapractice khona abantu vele ukuvumile ubizo ubona ngoba esegqokile mhlawumbe ehlangene nezinto zakho kodwa ngeke uze ukuthi uhlale esigodlweni uyaconsult okay now it's clear ngiya understand
khona bangaconsult. Mina ngiyayithanda le part yokwazi ukuthi kumejeke ngoba manje indlela esisi confused ngayo kwenza ukuthi sikhulume futhi izinto ke namhlanje Inanda FM ukuthulela ulwazi khuluma into oyaziyo ayikhuluma into ongayazi. Any other question?
Sengizwile ukuthi isho ukuthi idlozi kahle kahle xabana nanesikole ngoba phela aqala beungathi umuntu ufanele ayeke ngisho isikole
abagulayo uthi umuntu athi ngingagula wathiwa ngeke
omunye athi athola umkhona engimaziyo owayithola umsebenzi wawuyeka umsebenzi wathi abavuma asebenze but still futhi nawakwenzayo lokho fanele wagcine ngenzanga lutho ngoba phela bengiunderstand ukuthi mawukuthi abamiyekisa umsebenzi isho ukuthi fanele akuqhube lokho but nje kwakanjalo.
I think lapho wegogo it's not ngoba idlozi lakhe lalibheda. I think inkinga kuba know how and the primary lengishilo understanding abantu bakho knowing ukuthi balapho bazokwenzana. Abantu abanesiphiwo it's not all of us esivuka sinentshisakela. Mina angazi ususuku liphela sengithandaze kangaki ngize ngithi einganeni zami mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu sengiblockile ezulwini mina engazi because ekseni ngiyavuka ngithandaze ngivula usuku ngo4 you know, and every consultation angivele ngiqhume nje WhatsApp every consultation ngiyamkhulekela lo muntu uqala ngibiza idalwa zakhe luthi liphela usuku futhi uyakhuleka uyabona. So uNkulunkulu plays a very big role eyintweni esizenzayo and umuntu khona usumbizile kuNkulunkulu yibaza abantu kunabantu namhlanje abayizangoma asebeyizangoma for 20 years but umuntu ezazoconsult ahlule umbuzo wodwa mangithi gogo uhamba nobani athi ngifuna ungibhekele lokho
hawu
uyisangoma kanjani for 20 years ungazi uyabona. And I don't blame them. I think ukufunda mina I promote imbuzo ngiyamthanda umuntu obuzayo because even kubantwana engibathwasisayo ngiyaxabana nabe engangibuza ngoba ngifike ngimfundise ngithi 1 no 2 no 3 athi umuntu yebo ma akwenze ngimbuze ngithi indaba ngisenza lokho angazi ngithi why ufuna ukuba isikabhe empilweni ungabuzi ngoba you must know the same thing as wena umuntu olashwayo ask ugobela wakho musukusaba imali yakho lo ikhiphile imali ayiqhamuke ezulwini you know you work hard for that money. So if umuntu ethi fika nemali engaka sokwenza 1 2 and 3 ask them what am I paying for.
Yazi inkinga nakodokotela ke kodwa mina ngizibuza umuntu athi amaphilisi awani so hayi ngikodokotela wasethi azokwenza njani you understand. So zonke lezi we don't even check ukuthi mebhaliwe athini asebenza enini. So umuntu athi mina sengiphuzisa umphilisi bengafanele ngabe ngiyawaphosa. Now talk about the acting, the singing part.
No, I don't do singing. I think it baby.
Ngibona umsakazi yes.
Actually acting okwamanje bengakabusi sabadla ngento nje enkulunyana but I did get a chance by God's grace nje last year. I got my first ngathi supporting role kuzalo last year December but otherwise bengikade nje ngiba i-background actor basho njalo yeah but then ngase ngathi ke ngoba mina ngilomuntu othandayo kumchallenge uNkulunkulu nabantu abadala if ngikhuleka ngesinkulunkulu ngifuna uMercedes I won't settle for a Toyota I refuse so ngangena ku acting ngathi ngifuna ukuzwa nje ke ngibe background nyana isikhashana but ngatshela nengane endlini ngathi I won't be a background for more than 10 times I refuse so I did backgrounding for ngicabanga ngabizwa kayi6 okwe7 ngathola indawo la ngakhuluma khona then ngase ngasengiya because ngiphinde ngivele ku TV imhlangano endawo la ngikhuluma khona uma ingakaveli angifuni ukukhombisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi akanamandla ngidlale ngaye ngiphinde le move ngizolinda isikhathi sizeshaye
ngoba usukwenzile lokho khona because that's the part
kunama perceptions amaningi before mhlambe sibone khona ababuzayo nabanye kunama perceptions amaningi so ile nto sifuna ukucaciseleka yona thina indlela esibuka ngayo umngoma okunye sesikhulumeni but khona le ngiyikhumbulayo ukuthi kunalokho ukuthi kuthiwe isangoma kahle kahle akufuneki nanokuthi ube nomuntu othandana naye maye isangoma nje abantu abadala bangifuni umuntu
ngithi manje wena lo mbuzo
uphinde kuzoba nale ethi isangoma siye emngcwabeni la kushone khona nje sifa sihlangane but sengiye ngibone manje ukuthi hayi siya emngcwabeni you know kushintshe
angiqale ngalogcine ngayo eyemngcwabo inabantu bayo and I'll tell you why kunazi zangoma ezivumelekile ukuthi ziye esifeni ithonga lakhona elivumayo ebese kuba khona amathonga athi we do not allow that which becomes contradictory because here we are talking to abantu asebadlula but the difference is this umuntu osadlula esikhuluma naye umuntu osewuqedile u3 months wakhe of which there's something people are not aware of ukuthi ngale kuba nesikhathi sika 3 months la abantu abathi ngokokholo usuke umuntu esahlulelwe izono zakhe so nathi sino 3 months wethu osuke umuntu ngale madlozi nesangeniswa kahle kusabheka ukuthi emhlabeni ushodephi kanjani la soke sengena khona indaba zenhlambuluko kangithi sekuhlatshwa kwimbuzi useyahlambulula umuntu kuseyangena emndenini ke ngokugcwele inhlambuluko yenzeka after 30 days useyangena kumuntu emndenini ngokugcwele sesiyakwazi ukukhuluma na use umuntu o clean you understand the spirit the aura the energy is clean emngcwabeni the problem is this akakahlangana nenhlabathi akakabu spiritual usawu physical usayithunzi uyangisinda uyangqilaza uyabona so mina specifically angi-attend ingcwabo but even komakhelwane bami nje sebeyazi if ushonele ngizokulethela igross
uma uthi awe attend yabantu noma family what about
family I do attend but emva kwalokho kufanele ngihlabe ngiziclean because sengifanele ukuthi ngiqilaze amathonga ami uyabona so umuntu ngengilethe lokho nje ngikubonise ngithi ke ngizokukhalisa kodwa you understand ukuthi I cannot attend because akuvumi nakhona kwi family it's not ukuthi every single person uyabona immediate family like ngeke ngisuke ngiye enkandla ngihambele umndeni olekude kodwa izingane zami ngiyazifundisa ukuthi philani nomndeni enzani lokho uma wena engakwazi ukwenza so ndodakazi wami lo mdala plays that role ke ukuthi na uyeka veleke ngabe sezihlobeni ngabe ngomakhelene ngoba yazi mina angikwazi ngikwenze lokho
so they understand
lena ke interesting one not just that people always assume uyisangoma kusho ukuthi uthanda ezinye izangoma you can't be in love nomunye umuntu nje normal but ke answering that question it is false it is absolutely false because nathi sisenyameni you know we are physical just as idlozi was physical sibuyele back to lento engishilo ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukuba isangoma ukuvuma ubizo ukuthatha uspiritual umnika imvumo ukuthi aphile kwena physical silly example at my age now I smoke cigarettes bengabhemi but angibhemi ngoba kuvuka ustote to let me smoke ngoba amakhehle ngihamba nayo they were like musilo kusho ukuthi ubeke lapha yana now we want ukuthi ufake emlomeni and perfect but you understand because abangiphethe abafuna lokho hence ke kube khona abantu sola ukuthi umuntu cha ilo avejol and into abangayazi abanye abantu kukhona izangoma ezigangile but usikwenza undercover umuntu akakwazi ukuthi ngesizwe kuthiwa uyisoka njengabanye abafana noma eyisangoma ngoba manje kunento ukuthi ngathi uyisangoma I think abantu bazicreatela samsangoma bible esingayazi thina ukuthi sika so but obviously umuntu edlozi kumele uzihloniphe kunezinto omele ungazenzi isinomi kanjani but we are like everybody else we fall in love siyaba nama crush uyabuka iTV ubuka ama apps like everybody else uthanda umuntu ofit now uthi loya uyabona you human ngabe ene unamanga phela kube ene you don't those things but lapho futhi ke you have to watch how you do things you can't just be sleeping around with everybody you meet of which ke lento of being intimate physically Ngeke ngishayisana ke nombono kakhulu nabantu kodwa kakhulu besifazane besilisa they very disciplined funny enough lento futhi nayo kuba physical esukuyenza abantu basebenza namajoke ukuthi muzoba nesangoma fanele ukuthi ukhiphe uhlawule not always umuntu ohlanganiswa naye umuntu esekubonakala indlela eyaphambili uyabona ukuthi we are both committed to each other sesihlanganisa idala zethu otherwise phela kusho uzoloku uhlabela bonke abafana ojola nabo uyabona you can't do that but indlela ozitreata ngayo you can't go around sleeping na wonke umuntu because once uhlangana nomuntu you take energy yakhe there's something yes you take their spirits you take their energies and how sure are you that you are the only person they are sleeping with uyabona so yonke imithwalo yakhe zonke inkinga zomsamo wakhe zonke izilwaneza sezikwe uyabo which is why ke ngiyesiye kufanele ukuthi ke even after ke umuntu wakho o straight ke so called cleanse yourself after intimacy because you don't want to be walking around ne energy yomunye umuntu
ngiyakuzwa uthi la ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uma kuthiwa wena abantu unabantu abadala bayakutshela ukuthi yenzani kodwa uyaziva ngalo sikhathi kawuphuphi lutho kodwa futhi uyezwa emzimbeni ukuthi uyagula kumele wenze njani lapho
okay umbuzo ke ngathi loyo awubanga nokucaca kahle because bengafisa ukubuza kene ukuthi yini ezayamlide lento nenkulu kangaka ukuthi ayitshela ukuthi unaba abadala ekubeni ethi akaphuphi nokuphupha ke gogo kuye kuhlukane kanje sometimes awuphuphi because usamo sekhaya awukho right idlozi kwalona nje is not active sometimes awuphuphi because idlozi lakho has nothing to say to you uyabona sometimes awuphuphi because when you are being visited by bad spirits so umuntu kanjalo it will be better if bengazi ukuthi uthi ugula uphethwe yini because ikhona igulo zedlozi ikhona igulo zemoya emibi
okay sizobathatha abeyingcingo kodwa not now ngenxa ukuthi sifisa ukuthi ugogo siqede naye ngoba ngifisa ukuthi singene futhi nasencwadini uthe ubhala incwadi ngibone ngathi yona leyo manyamba sephethe sazobe sibhekeke sigijimise inspire abantu uthe salon
indaba incwadi ake ngithi isalon brought me to radio ne to teach the world then after ngiku radio there were a lot of questions abantu diloke bezibuza repetitive questions all the time that's how the book came about njalo umuntu abuze gogo and I felt ukuthi wow lezi zinto they are so simple abantu mangabafundisa lezi zinto bangakwazi ukuzenzela hence like ungenisa abantu abadala people don't know ukuthi you don't necessarily need a sangoma to do that you don't really
okay
but ke abanye abantu bayibanqene nokuthi u lack of knowledge ugcina usuhambile uyokhipha imali yokhokhela umuntu so ngiyengadvise kubantu ukuthi no I just voice note you and teach you how to do it you can do it on your own so that's how the book came about me trying to teach abantu even simple things ngoba khona umuntu ongenazo isibindi soke sangomina ulanda umuthi but incwadi inakho lapho ngemuva ukuthi ifundise ukuthi okay mawuthi mhlawumbe uyo first awusahlanganisa 1 no 2 no 3 usebenze lokho mawuhlushwa imoya emibi awuhlanganise lokho uyabona nokuchaza ke kwamaphupho ukuthi if you dream such understand kusho ukuthini ukunderstand amakhandlela and so on and also giving a bit of my life story I felt that was necessary because kunabantu I feel that went through things that were even worse than mine but umuntu azahlulele ngalokho ukuthi kusho ukuthi angisoze ngaphumelela ukuthi you know what the biggest thing enhlezi khoma ngathi umlomo uyadala if you believe it can happen it will happen
okay
yeah
hey clear ma uyasazi story sakho
ngibonile incwadi impela mangabe seba nabalaleli bayithole nje njengoba because isikhathi esiningi
yami lekho
so kuba masibuka
umuntu sethi
mfawulangazelele because into enye into abantu bayikhuluma ngezangoma ukuthi kunezinto ezisecret ongayishare nabanye abantu yabo nolwazi liyagodla engathi njengoba ukusho ukuthi omunye umuntu khona izinto okwazi ukuzenzela but ngibonile encwadini yakho ukuthi wena even ukuthakwa imithi ukuthi lo wenza njani why is it not something mhlawumbe secret le ukuthi you don't have to share into enikezwe wena ukuthi umuntu mayifuna keze kuwena you don't have to because noma ubani manje shothi bazogcina abantu bengasezi kuwena abafunda incwadi
ngiyawuthanda lo mbuzo wakho egogo for one reason yabona ebungomeni mawudrive imali yekuphilisa umuntu ngiyiphilile inhlupheko kakhulu ngiyakwazi what it feels like ukulala ungadlile ungenalutho not knowing ukuthi uzobheka kuphi uthi uyohlola athi umuntu ngifuna imali engaka ubone kahle ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami njengoba ngingenalutho kwaleka uzongisiza ngangizoyithatha so as much as ngisebenza like everybody else ngicharge ukuthi but emathubeni like lawa on radio when I can give knowledge for free I give it so that abantu bezokwazi bakwazi ukuthi nabo basizakale because overall ubizo lethu is not solely based upon money we are here to heal and sometimes kunabantu that I've healed engakaze ngibabone. There are people who've sent emails and messages athi umuntu Marcos, just listening to your voice you gave me hope. Uyabona. So sometimes komunye njengoba ugogo eqaleni earlier on in the show ke wathi sometimes it's a psychological thing. Kunabanye abantu umuntu ongena WhatsApp ehlola agcine sekhuluma sevuleleka sengikwazi ukuthi nami ngiadvise ngendlela ngiadvise athi ngaze ngaphola emva kwalokho athi no angidinge imithi bengidinga lokho bengidinga nje indlebe. I actually have patients abanjalo ababhukayo abanye abakhipha retainer abathi nje I just need you ukuthi nje ngibhodle kuwena kungazi umuntu because if ukwazi ukuthi abantu ubaphilise kokho mina ngithi umsebenzi wami I take it very seriously because I am the difference between life and death. Into engiyikhulumayo ingakubulala, into engiyikhulumayo futhi ingakuphilisa.
Khona omunye kade ekhala ku Facebook bathi zobalalela laba nje ethi ukade uvela poster nje omunye wathi neke sikhulumene izinto esingakaze size esizikhulume ezisihluphayo ngaphakathi wathi omunye wabhala nje openly ukuthi yena wakhiphisisa isimo sesingavungani sesikhathi but kubuhlungu manje akudluleki khona. So such people, are you able to help them bengeke phuzana nabo?
Yes wegogo njoba ngisho ukuthi usho nencwadi ukuthi iyakhipha izinto kunama situations umuntu othola ukuthi mhlawumbe ubese uthi into engaka but mase ukhuluma naye ukwazi usube nezinto nje mina isikhathi esiningi ke I use izinto ezingekho conventional household items nje ngizithatha utswayi nani into vele athi ayikho ke lonke lento esengitshela yona usebenzisa ngiza umuntu esehlambuluka after athi Marcos kangithi ayikho lento yakho kodwa ngimangele sengibona ngikwenza uyabo. So I think lento yokwenza into bese uzinjeka lapho ukhipha isizo okay singakwenza indaba zokuhlanjulula emfuleni wenzeni but iqala la vuma uNkulunkulu uqala vuma uNkulunkulu uvume ethongeni because uNkulunkulu uyazi lonke ohlakalo wena bongakayenzi lonkenzo bese kwazi uzokwenza leyo nto. But I think ukuthi if ungavumanga wena enhlizweni uNkulunkulu nasethongeni lakho uzigeza ngaphandle nje ngaphakathi still isaseliso nosakho.
Kodwa kusadinga ukuthi ahambe ayohlanjwa ngaphandle. All right, asiza ukuthi uthini umkhosi.
Amen Mkhosi silalele kakhulu siyabonga kuMkhosi sisibuthi. Lento le iyenzeka isekaningi futhi siyabona emabandleni ungamelana nomuntu oyisangoma ziningi izangoma but ngibe nombuzo kakhulu ukuthi ngempela kulezi ngoma eziningi ezingisiye ngiyibone abanye uyibone ukuthi uyibuza umbuzo nje ukuthi bangena kanjani emngomeni njengoba ngizochaza bakhona izangoma ezisebenzayo ezilaphayo ezisiza kakhulu abantu kodwa ezinye uthola ukuthi izangoma angazi noma usuke kwenzeke ngendlela eright. Mina ngingafisa ukuthi kulabo abathwasisa izangoma noma umuntu usuke engenwe umoya obungoma engathi bangakuhlola ukuthi lo kumngenile umngoma bangampela yini noma mhlambe kuyilo kwemoya eminingi esuke idinga ukuthi umuntu agcine lokho osuke kumele agcine nje bese eyadlula kuleso simo ngoba abantu abaningi abayizangoma abanye ubone ukuthi hayi isimo akusona simenza ukuthi into zakhe umunye zingabi.
Yes, advice mnandi ngokusinikeza yona.
Ngiyawuthanda ke lo mbuzo.
Ngibuka nesikhathi sami.
Okay. I think lento ubhuti ayishoyo is on point. Not everybody is meant to be a sangoma. Khona omunye umuntu oyilento engichazile ukuthi usudla qeda isikwete sikagogo khona omunye umuntu ehluphela umndeni nomndawo uyabona ekufanele adle lezo zinkambe bese impilo yakhe iyaqhubeka but because kokunye kuvuka lento ukuthi na esilaphayo ukuthi makufika umuntu usubona amarandi usuthi hayi wena aqhubeka uthi so nalapho futhi lokho can also be blamed upon the fact ukuthi abantu nabo bangena kuzona lezo inkamba mhlawumbe zomndeni nomndawo without doing their homework.
Uyakwazi uma ukumtshela ukuthi hayi wena ubiziwe ufanele bese ngokugcina lokho nje
wego uzomangala ke mina abantu bakhona ke bangifikela ngasho ngathi hayi angadla njengawe awunalo nje idlozi wena bakhona bahamba nawo kodwa ubiziwe hayi umuntu asingeke emakhosi ngisona ngifuna ube yisona ngenkani ungazi noma mhlawumbe ubona indlela wena oyiyona uyahalela kunabantu literally who wake up wanting to be sangoma uyakuthanda wekhayela uyakufisa kodwa akuyona into yakhe akaphiwanga.
Mhlambe la kuvela khona lo ngicela ukungibuzele kumakhosi ukuthi kudalwa yini uma beze emngcwabeni bafune ukuthi kube bona sangoma kumele bageze kuqala ngomswane umuntu avela ashiye wonke umuntu emangcwabeni ahambe yedwa ethi umswane komunye umuzi ehamba yedwa iyadida lento sekwaba nokushompesho ngaphandle ngibonge vele igcwenzi.
Ngeke ngizikhulumeleke lezi zangoma umuntu ohamba yedwa ogeza ngemswane yabantu angazi ngoba angazi ngikwenze mina lokho But ke mhlambe mangibacabangela ngingasho from that mere sake yokuthi njengoba mesibuyela to the sexual part ukuthi umuntu usuke ezazi yena ukuthi uclean mhlambe uzithibile so ufuna ukuyogeza ngamanzi angakabi ne-energy tainted you understand kungathi kade uzibuyela wena komandi buse ngibakho ebusuku usoyageza nami sengiyafaka izandla zami I think mhlambe kusuka lapho.
Okay, isikhathi asisekho, incwadi yakho isiyatholakala?
Iyatholakala kwa Adams Book la ku West Street iphinde itholakale ka Adams eMaritzburg.
Okay, abayidinga impela nami sengithe kuyipheqa kancane futhi sengizosala necopy ngiyifunde kakhulu.
Mhlawumbe ungasala usibatshela nami ukuthi utholakala kanjani ngoba vele uWhatsApp uyawusebenzisa.
Okay, igama lencwadi uyimi nawe thongo lami. Inamba esitholakala kuyona u082 710 1376.
Asiphinde futhi
082 710 13 sorry, 082 710 1376. Esibili u060 844 882.
Okay.
Uyizweleke 0608 444 882 asivale manje.
Siyabonga yazi nje ukuthi isikhathi sivele sasincane but nje i-conversation yethu ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje baningi nabanye abasanemibuzo besithanda imibuzo ngoba siyayidinga izinto nje ulwazi kuthiwe siswele ulwazi siyabonga ngoba solulazi ulwazi olunje siyadinga and if sithola abantu abazokwazi ukuthi balishare kanje openly siyajabula kakhulu siyavalelisa kubalaleli sibonge sithemba ukuthi basizakele.
Sibonga kakhulu gogo sithemba ukuthi na next time ngikunqaba ukuze because basakhona basafuna ukubuza ke baxoxe nawe nje sibadedele.
Makhosi nami nje ake ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi ningimeme la ekhaya.
Siyathokoza gogo. Sibonge kakhulu ke besinomakhosi la uma sikhakhana uyizwileke indaba yethu yonke la silwela nje ukuthi akube nokuhlanganyela si understand that let's just coexist bafowethu ayisekho lento yokucabanga ukuthi ubani ungcono kunobani ubani unjani uyayibona lento ikhona i-link somewhere so if uzondla ngolwazi then you get to know what is really happening. Okay, siye indabeni and then coming back with embracing diversity. Khona intombi eyiningi khona usondlela kahle uthuli inosista ke kulolu suku namhlanje. Hey,